Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by locating every copy of the QR and confirming you have admin rights. If it's in the Converge app, log in. If it's an image or PDF, list devices storing it. Next, plan a short downtime window so users aren't surprised. Once done, you'll use your router or Converge controls to immediately invalidate the old credentials. Make sure to note current SSID and password before changing anything so you can recreate controlled access afterward. Now you change the network credentials to make the old QR useless. Update SSID and set a new strong password, then regenerate any official QR codes. If Converge provided the QR, disable or revoke its sharing link in the app or replace it with the new code. While regenerating, create a guest network for visitors so you keep your main devices secure. Once finished, double-check devices that must reconnect and prepare to push the new controlled QR only to authorized users. Finish by hardening the network so the old QR can't be reused. Enable WPA2 or WPA3, turn off WPS, and optionally add MAC filtering. You should notify authorized users and deliver the new QR via an encrypted message or in person. Once you do that, remove or delete archived QR images. If someone can't connect, reboot the router and device. Confirm they're using the exact SSID and password, and verify the guest network isn't being used by mistake. That one quick troubleshoot fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.